Corn is one of the most widely consumed foods around the globe, and it plays an important role in the food industry. Every year, billions of tons of corn are harvested, and while corn on the cob is a common way to enjoy it, canned corn has become a staple in many households worldwide. Over 150,000 tons of canned corn are produced annually, but have you ever wondered how this process takes place? In this in-depth guide, we'll explore the entire process of how fresh corn is turned into the convenient canned product many of us rely on. From the fields to the factory, this is how canned corn is made. The journey from planting to canning is a carefully coordinated process that involves the right timing, quality control, specialized machinery, and efficient methods. Before we dive in, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with more content. Let's dive in. Planting and harvesting the corn. The first and most crucial step in the canned corn production process begins in the field with the planting of sweet corn. Farmers must plan their planting carefully, ensuring they choose the right variety of corn and pay close attention to weather patterns. The timing of the harvest is vital to ensure that the corn reaches peak maturity. Farmers typically harvest sweet corn between mid-August and mid-October, as this is when the corn is sweet, juicy, and tender. Harvesting too early could result in underdeveloped kernels, while waiting too long could lead to tough and unappetizing corn. The corn must be ripe enough to be tender and flavorful but not overripe, which could result in hard kernels. The harvesting process. To harvest large quantities of sweet corn, specialized machines called corn harvesters are used. These machines are equipped with sharp blades that are set to the ideal height to ensure the cobs are cut cleanly from the plant stems. A single corn harvester can cut up to 140 tons of corn per day, and once the cobs are cut from the stalks, they are shot into containers. When these containers are full, they are then transferred to trucks and transported to the processing plant. The speed at which harvesting happens is crucial, and from the moment the corn is picked, it will typically be processed within 4 hours to ensure maximum freshness. Transporting to the factory. Once the freshly harvested corn is collected, it is transported to the factory where it will undergo the canning process. The factories are typically located near the growing regions to minimize the transportation time and preserve the corn's freshness. This helps retain the nutritional value of the corn and ensures a high-quality product. Upon arrival at the factory, the corn is unloaded from the trucks. This process involves moving massive piles of corn from the trucks to conveyor belts using specialized machinery. The cobs are pushed onto conveyors that carry them to various stages of inspection and processing. Visual inspection and quality control. Before the corn enters the processing stages, each cob undergoes visual inspection to ensure that only the highest quality corn is selected for canning. Workers check for signs of damage, overripeness, or improper size. Corn cobs that do not meet the required quality standards are discarded to maintain the integrity of the product. The inspection process is important as any damaged or poorly sized cobs can affect the final product's taste and texture. Only the best quality corn will continue to the next stage, which involves cleaning and shelling the corn kernels. Cleaning and peeling the cobs. In this stage, the corn cobs are thoroughly cleaned to remove the outer leaves and any remaining cob hairs. Specially designed machines are used to perform this task efficiently. These machines employ rotating brushes and other mechanisms that work in unison to strip the leaves and hairs from the cobs. The process is crucial for ensuring that the kernels are fully exposed and ready for the next steps in the production process. The cleaning process is carried out quickly to maintain the smooth flow of production. These machines can handle large quantities of corn, allowing for minimal delays as the cobs move through the factory. The high-speed nature of the cleaning ensures that the cobs are thoroughly prepared with no residual debris left behind. After cleaning, the cobs are ready for shelling, where the kernels will be separated and processed further. The careful and efficient removal of leaves and hairs is a key step in maintaining the quality of the final product, ensuring that only the best corn kernels are used in the subsequent stages of canning. The cleaned cobs are then transferred seamlessly to the next part of the production line for further processing. Shelling the corn. Once the corn cobs are cleaned, they undergo a shelling process to separate the kernels. This is done using grain eliminators and specialized shelling machines with counter-rotating cylinders. These machines efficiently extract the kernels while preventing damage. Each machine is capable of processing up to a ton of kernels per hour, ensuring high productivity. The shelling process is conducted twice daily to maintain consistent output and efficiency. After the kernels are removed, they fall into a rotating drum that separates them from any larger particles or debris. This step ensures that only the kernels continue through the process, while any remaining pieces are discarded. The rotating drum further refines the separation process, ensuring that the final product is pure and of high quality. By using these advanced shelling machines, the production process remains fast and effective, enabling large-scale operations to efficiently extract and prepare kernels for subsequent steps in the canning process. Sorting the kernels. After shelling, the corn kernels must be carefully sorted to remove any debris, such as leftover cob pieces or leaves. A series of conveyor belts carry the kernels through various inspection stations where workers perform a visual inspection, ensuring that only the highest quality kernels are selected for the next step. Poorly colored or damaged kernels are discarded. Once sorted, the kernels are then moved to the cleaning stage, where they are rinsed with water and a solution derived from the corn cutting process. This helps transport the kernels without causing damage and prepares them for blanching. Blanching the kernels. Blanching is an essential step in preserving the color, flavor, and texture of the corn. This process involves immersing the corn kernels in boiling water for a short period. Blanching helps to inactivate the natural enzymes present in the corn, which could degrade its quality over time, especially during storage. The blanching process takes place in a massive continuous cylinder, where the kernels are moved by a screw mechanism. The kernels are immersed in boiling water for 4 to 5 minutes, ensuring the enzymes are neutralized. After blanching, the kernels are quickly transferred into cold water to halt the cooking process and preserve their texture. Canning the kernels. Once the kernels are blanched and cooled, they are ready to be placed in cans. The cans are first sterilized to ensure that they are free of harmful microorganisms. Then the kernels are loaded into the cans using an automatic rotary filling machine. This machine can handle 300 to 450 cans per minute, ensuring an efficient filling process. The kernels are packed into the cans along with a covering liquid, which is typically a mixture of water, salt, and sugar. This solution helps preserve the flavor and texture of the corn, ensuring the kernels remain submerged and fresh throughout the canning process. Sealing the cans. After the cans are filled with corn and the covering liquid, they are sealed tightly using automatic sealing machines. These machines apply heat and pressure to the can lids, creating an airtight seal that prevents the entry of air, moisture, and bacteria. This step is crucial for ensuring the safety and quality of the product. Once the cans are sealed, they undergo several tests to ensure that they are airtight and that no bacteria have entered the cans. This process is vital to prevent spoilage and ensure the safety of the final product. Sterilization of the cans. After sealing, the cans are subjected to a sterilization process that involves placing them in autoclaves. These machines apply heat and pressure to kill any remaining bacteria or microorganisms, ensuring that the product is safe for long-term storage. The sterilization process typically lasts between 4 to 6 minutes, during which the cans are heated to 250 degrees Celsius. This high-temperature treatment also helps preserve the flavor, texture, and nutritional value of the corn, ensuring that it remains fresh and safe for consumers. Cooling the cans. After the sterilization process is finished, the cans undergo a careful cooling procedure. Rapid temperature changes can lead to cracks in the cans or compromise their structural integrity, so a gradual cooling process is used to bring the temperature down slowly. This step is critical to maintaining the quality of the product, as sudden shifts in temperature could cause damage to the cans, leading to potential leakage or spoilage. Cooling is also essential to ensure that the corn inside the cans is not overcooked, which could negatively affect its flavor, texture, and nutritional value. During the cooling phase, the cans are typically placed in a controlled environment where the temperature decreases gradually. This process allows the cans to return to room temperature without any risk of damage. By cooling the cans slowly, manufacturers can avoid the common issue of thermal shock, which can cause the metal to contract too quickly, resulting in dents or ruptures. This careful attention to temperature control is crucial to preserving the freshness and taste of the corn. It also helps ensure the long-term safety and stability of the canned product, which includes labeling, packaging, and distribution. This meticulous cooling process plays a vital role in maintaining the overall quality of the canned corn, ensuring that it reaches consumers in optimal condition. Labeling and packaging. Once the cans have cooled to room temperature, they are prepared for labeling. Each can is carefully labeled with essential information for consumers, including the production date, expiration date, ingredients, and nutritional content. This information is crucial for transparency, allowing customers to make informed choices about the products they purchase. Accurate labeling ensures that consumers know exactly what they're consuming, which is especially important for those with dietary restrictions or concerns. After the labeling process, the cans are packed into boxes for transportation. These boxes are carefully arranged to ensure that the cans are well protected during storage and distribution. To maintain the quality of the canned corn, the boxes are stored in climate-controlled environments. Temperature and humidity are closely monitored to prevent any degradation of the product. This controlled storage environment helps preserve the corn's freshness, flavor, and texture. This attention to detail throughout the packaging and storage process is essential to delivering a product that meets both consumer expectations and safety standards. Distribution to stores. Once the canned corn is labeled and packed into boxes, the next step is transportation to distribution centers. These centers act as crucial hubs where the boxed cans are organized and prepared for delivery to various retail locations. At the distribution centers, boxes are sorted based on their destination, and the logistics team ensures that the cans are shipped efficiently to supermarkets and grocery stores. Keeping the product in ideal condition is vital to preserve its flavor, texture, and safety. The meticulous steps, from harvesting, sorting, and blanching to canning, sealing, and distribution, ensure that the product reaches the store in its best form. The entire process from the field to the shelf is focused on ensuring that canned corn remains fresh, flavorful, and safe for consumption. Each stage is carefully managed to uphold the high quality and nutritional value of the product, allowing consumers to enjoy it as a reliable and convenient food option. The production of canned corn involves a highly coordinated process that requires careful planning, precision, and efficiency. From the moment the corn is harvested to the time it reaches the shelves, every step is designed to preserve the quality, safety, and flavor of the corn. Whether you're enjoying it as a side dish, in salads, or as an ingredient in your favorite recipes, canned corn remains one of the most convenient and popular ways to enjoy this versatile crop. To discover how other amazing products are made, be sure to watch our next video. We dive into the fascinating processes behind everyday items and food production, offering you a closer look at how things are created from start to finish. Don't forget to like the video, share it with friends who might enjoy it, and subscribe to our channel so you never miss out on more intriguing content. Activate the notification bell to stay updated on all our latest videos. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to sharing more exciting insights with you soon.